Okay, so we are given an aircraft is climbing at a 30-degree angle to the horizontal. How fast is the aircraft gaining altitude if its speed is 500 miles per hour? So I've drawn a little diagram representing the problem. So you have your airplane. It's going up at a 30-degree angle, and we want to know how fast the aircraft is gaining altitude. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the given. What we are given is dz dt, which is 500 miles per hour. We know if you're given an angle and no other side of your triangle, try to use a trig function. So we know that sine of 30 is going to be equal to y over z. And what we need is how fast is the aircraft gaining altitude. So how fast, that refers to a rate. Altitude would be in the y direction here. So we actually want to know dy dt. So we are going to use this sine function here to try to find dy dt. So first let's solve for y. So y would equal z times sine of 30. Well, sine of 30 is 1/2. So y would equal 1/2 z. Now let's take the derivative. So dy dt is going to equal 1/2 dz dt. We know dz dt to be 500. So we have 1/2 of 500, which is 250 miles per hour. And that's your answer.